Now, trouble is only mounting for Siddaramaiah. A special court in Bengaluru has ordered the filing of an FIR in connection with the Muda case. Lokayukta Mysuru District Police is now tasked with probing charges against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, expected to submit a report on the same in 3 months' time. BJP has launched fierce campaign demanding Siddaramaiah's immediate resignation. The Prime Minister has also taken the lead, Modi intensifying attack on the embattled Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. While you also have the BJP Yuva Morcha staging huge protests in Bengaluru surrounding Siddaramaiah's residence, shouting slogans demanding his resignation. Several protesters were detained by the police. The JDS has also organized protests at Freedom Park, Bengaluru, further amplifying calls for Siddaramaiah's resignation. Despite the growing pressure, Siddaramaiah remains defiant, refusing to step down from his position.
The JDS workers have taken to the streets to protest against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. And what you're seeing over there on your screen are the JDS workers. That's Mr. Ramesh Gowda, who is in MLC. The entire JDS cadre from Bangalore has taken to the streets protesting against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, demanding for his resignation. They are saying that the Chief Minister is corrupt. There has been a case of misuse of power, and Siddaramaiah has got no moral right to continue as the Chief Minister. Just like the Padayatra that happened from Bangalore to Mysore, demanding for CM resignation. Again, the same thing is going to repeat, a similar protest of that nature by both the BJP and JDS workers, demanding for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's resignation. With camera person Shivamurthy Gurumat, Anaga Keshav reporting for India Today from Bangalore.
Judge had actually heard us in depth in this matter. We had concluded our arguments also, and he was to pass orders when they had approached the High Court, and therefore he had to wait for the High Court to conclude the proceedings. At this point of time, he has directed the Lokayukta, Mysore, to register an FIR and begin the investigation. They are supposed to conclude it in 3 months, so let's see what happens.
Initially you said for 6 months. Why it demanded for 3 months?
The reason being, I think the material, the documents produced, all of that according to us were quite conclusive. So the Lokayukta would not require 6 months to probe into all of this because it was all there right before them. They wouldn't have to dig deep. So we were of the opinion that since everything's already been produced to the court, they would have to investigate based on the material produced, and that wouldn't take too long.
ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ನವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆದೇಶದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೂರ್ಣ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತನಿಖೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಎದುರಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
आज कर्नाटका में उनकी सरकार है. जरा देखिए, अभी तो 2 साल हुए हैं, क्या हाल करके रखा है. वहां कांग्रेस के मुख्यमंत्री उन पर जमीन घोटाले के आरोप लगे हैं. जब इसकी जांच शुरू हुई तो कर्नाटका के मुख्यमंत्री हाईकोर्ट चले गए. हाईकोर्ट ने भी उनको एक और डंडा मारा. उन्होंने कहा कोई मदद नहीं होगी, और कल ही हाईकोर्ट ने साफ साफ कहा कि जांच के आदेश सही है और जांच होनी चाहिए. अब देखिए, 2 साल मुश्किल से हुए हैं, आदत जाती नहीं है.
See, investigation has been ordered by the court. Let investigation take up. There are charge sheet against various ministers, MLAs of BJP government also in the entire country. Why they are not demanding the resignation of them?
Investigation is already clarified that he is prepared to face any investigation. But the details of the order, once we see that, then I will be able to comment on it. Lokayukta Police is an independent body. They are not under the mercy of anybody. So they will do the investigation accordingly.
जो गवर्नर उस संविधान की शपथ लेता है, जो संविधान सेक्युलरिज्म की वकालत करता है, वही गवर्नर सेक्युलरिज्म की मुखालफत कर रहा है। क्या वो आदमी गवर्नर बने रहने के काबिल है? अपनी ही शपथ के परखचे उड़ा रहे हो। इसका मतलब है कि आपको शपथ का कोई इज्जत ही नहीं है। ऐसे गवर्नर की रिकमेंडेशन का कोई मतलब नहीं है।
So yesterday the verdict by the High Court has come against the Chief Minister, but still all the 135 legislators in Congress, including the Congress High Command, say that they're going to stand next to Siddaramaiah like a rock. How do you see this, and how is the BJP going to take its protest forward from now?
See, in a major setback to the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, Honorable High Court has upheld the decision of Governor of giving permission to investigate against Chief Minister in Mysore Moda scandal. But in spite of the High Court judgment, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah was brave enough to claim that he has a complete support of High Command, he has complete support of all the MLAs, and he has complete support of people of Karnataka. But looking at the differences and the statements that is going on within the Congress party, I really doubt Chief Minister's claim of having support of all MLAs. After the High Court judgment, once the FIR is registered, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is bound to resign.
As expected, Karnataka High Court has rejected the request of Mr. Siddaramaiah. That was a simple case where Siddaramaiah had committed a mistake. For that, Governor asked for the explanation. He could not give a proper explanation. Governor asked for the further investigation. So Siddaramaiah approached the High Court against that. So this was not at all possible because in the eyes of the law, everybody is equal. So it was expected the High Court will withhold further investigation in the matter.
Siddaramaiah has done fraud and he has done misuse of his chair. For that, we had done a Padyatra from Bangalore to Mysore, claiming that he has done fraud. But he said that I have not done fraud. Then now, today morning, you can see High Court has passed an order saying that Siddaramaiah is prosecuted. So on that basis, today we all the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders are on the floor and we want him to resign immediately.
Today the Bharatiya Janata Party all over Karnataka is holding a protest against Siddaramaiah for not tendering his resignation. The High Court today has given a judgment that the what application Siddaramaiah has moved, the High Court has cancelled the application and it has made way for a prosecution of the sitting Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and also for the proper investigation into the matter. Though the court has given the go-ahead, Siddaramaiah is not agreeing to step down from the seat of his power.